Hi everyone, this is Daryl from yourlearningcurve.com, and today I want to talk to you about this fabulous service IFT, or if this then that I've been using for a while and decided to take a little bit of time and show you how I use it. So the first way that I use IFT is to keep my students organized and to keep myself organized, and that's by making recipes. So let me just go over to the browse channel, and I'll show you the 68 different channels that IFT has. So if you think of a channel as a stream of information, and some of these streams you contribute to, and some of these streams you want information from. So the ones that are grayed out are the ones that I'm not using, the ones that are colored are the ones that I have activated. I'm going to show you how I use the Diigo channel and how I pull information from Diigo and push it out to wherever I want. I can pull it from Diigo and push it out to Facebook, or pull it from Diigo and push it out to Gmail. It's just the combinations here are endless. And if you're not sure really how to get started, if you browse other people's recipes, you'll get all kinds of really good ideas for what people are doing. Let me just show you some of them here. I'm going to share some of my own, but you can take a look at what people are combining here. So, for example, this one person is saying that every specific time, so every day add, and then you set what time you want, you get a text message telling you, and then you enter whatever message you want. So say, for example, every morning at 7 o'clock, I want a text message on my phone that tells me, get up out of bed and go do your ab crunches, or every 15th of the month, don't forget to pay whatever bill. So you can use it that way to keep yourself organized. You can use other people's recipes. Say, for example, this one here, every time I upload photos to my Facebook account, I want them also brought over to my Google Drive. So those are lots of really wonderful recipes that I suggest that you take a look at. I'm going to show you a couple of mine here. And so what I've got here is well, I'll start with the other one first, not this one. Every time I make a bookmark to my Diigo, in my Diigo account, and so Diigo is the Like Delicious, it's social bookmarking account. So every time I make a public bookmark that I tag with, and then you can specify whatever tag you want. And so here I've specified anthro. I'm getting ready for my anthropology class. Then this is the trigger, and then the resulting action will be, it will be posted to my Twitter account. And so what that does is, it puts all my anthro tags in Diigo, not only in Diigo, but also on Twitter for my followers to take a look at, people who are interested in anthropology, but also my students, because my students can go to my Twitter channel and check that out. And so that's really cool. But I want to show you how specific you can get that, because when I first did this and tried it out, and I went over to my Twitter account, I saw this is what I was getting here. So I found 3 sites. There they are. And it's just the title of the web page with the bit.ly URL shortened address there. But that was pretty vague, not enough information, and I wanted to be able to be more specific. So I went back to the recipe and I specified even more. And that's where, if you come in here, this is the action that your trigger is going to create. And so if you look at this plus sign here, you can select all these different ingredients. So you obviously want to have the URL, and you want to have the title of the page that you're bookmarking, but you can also include or not include the tags that you put on that bookmark, as well as a descriptor that you write. And so add that ingredient's already added. Oh, I don't need to add it twice. Just take this off here. So you can get really very specific about the kind of information that you're sharing. And so that's the one way. I'm going to turn this into a two-parter, and you can come back and you can listen to the second part, and you can see how I am using IFT to send emails out to my students. And so here's the more complete bookmark that I just showed you. So come back and look at part 2 if you want to see how you can use IFT to send emails out to anybody.